Let's begin by looking at an algebraic equation. 2a plus 3 equals 13. If you haven't seen this type of equation before, it's important to understand what 2a means. It's actually quite simple. 2a just means that there are two of that unknown number called a, or put more simply, 2 times a. Whenever you see a number next to a letter in algebra, this means the number multiplied by the letter. So when you see 2a, you can imagine there is an invisible times sign in between the letter and the number. Let's go ahead and solve this equation. The key to solving an equation is to get all the letters or variables on one side of the equation and all the normal numbers, also known as constants, on the other side. And always remember the golden rule. Whatever you do to one side of the equation, you must do to the other side. So, looking at 2a plus 3 equals 13, we want to get rid of that 3 on the left-hand side. Doing this will ensure that only 2a remains on the left-hand side. To make this step, we need to subtract 3 from the left, and that's because 3 minus 3 equals 0, which is nothing. And following our golden rule, we also have to subtract 3 from the right-hand side as well. This will give us 2a plus 3 minus 3, or 2a plus 0, and we don't need to write out 2a plus 0, so we just write it as 2a, equals 13 minus 3, which is 10. 2a equals 10. We have been asked in the question to solve for a. This means solving for 1a, and at the moment we have 2 of them. Therefore, we need to go through a final step. To get back to just a, we need to divide by 2. And 2a divided by 2 gives us a. And remembering our golden rule, we need to do the same on the right-hand side. So we need to do 10 divided by 2 as well. This gives us a equals 5. And there we have it, our final answer. We can then check our answer by putting it back into the equation we started with. 2a plus 3 equals 13. Replacing the a with 5 will give us 2 times 5 plus 3 equals 13, or 10 plus 3 equals 13, which we can see is correct.